One of the reasons we got interested in AI from the very beginning is that we always viewed our mission as a timeless mission. It's to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful.
AI has reached a big breakthrough with Gemini 1.5. This enhancement is making waves as it enhances the capabilities of artificial intelligence. With Gemini 1.5, AI systems can perform tasks more efficiently and accurately than ever before. This development opens up new possibilities for various industries, from healthcare to finance and beyond. Let us delve deeper into the incredible advancements brought about by Gemini 1.5 and its impact on our daily lives. At its core, Gemini 1.5 Pro represents a leap forward in long context understanding, enabling the model to recall and reason over vast amounts of information spanning millions of tokens. This capability holds profound implications for various industries and applications, from content analysis and archival research to creating writing and multimodal content generation.
We'll walk through a screen recording of example prompts using a 402-page PDF of the Apollo 11 transcript, which comes out to almost 330,000 tokens. We started by uploading the Apollo PDF into Google AI Studio and asked, "Find 3 comedic moments, list quotes from this transcript, and emoji." This screen capture is sped up. This timer shows exactly how long it took to process each prompt, and keep in mind that processing times will vary. The model responded with 3 quotes, like this one from Michael Collins, "I'll bet you a cup of coffee on it." If we go back to the transcript, we can see the model found this exact quote and extracted the comedic moment accurately.
Moreover, the simultaneous release of Sora by OpenAI adds to the significance of this moment, setting the stage for a dynamic interplay of innovations and competition within the AI landscape. The unveiling of 2 cutting-edge AI systems within a short span underscores the rapid pace of technological advancement and the intense rivalry among leading AI research organizations. Gemini 1.5 Pro introduces groundbreaking capabilities that significantly advance the state-of-the-art in artificial intelligence, particularly in the domain of natural language processing, NLP, and multimodal understanding. At the forefront of these capabilities is the model's unparalleled proficiency in handling long-context tasks, allowing it to recall and reason over extensive amounts of information, spanning millions of tokens. One of the key achievements of Gemini 1.5 Pro is in its ability to ingest and process vast quantities of text, audio, images, and video data with near-perfect retrieval of facts and details. This multimodal approach enhances the model's ability to comprehend complex concepts, extract relevant information, and generate meaningful insights across different modalities.
We'll walk through a screen recording of example prompts using a 44-minute Buster Keaton film, which comes out to over 600,000 tokens. In Google AI Studio, we uploaded the video and asked, "Find the moment when a piece of paper is removed from the person's pocket and tell me some key information on it with the timecode." This screen capture is sped up, and this timer shows exactly how long it took to process each prompt. The model gave us this response, explaining that the piece of paper is a pawn ticket from Goldman & Company pawnbrokers with the date and cost, and it gave us this timecode 1201. When we pulled up that timecode, we found it was correct. The model had found the exact moment the piece of paper is removed from the person's pocket, and it extracted text accurately.
The model's proficiency in handling multimodal data also extends to tasks such as scene recognition, object detection, and even coding. By integrating information from multiple modalities, Gemini 1.5 Pro is able to perform a wide range of tasks with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency, opening up new possibilities for AI-driven solutions in various domains. Furthermore, Gemini 1.5 Pro's advanced architecture and training methods contribute to its scalability, efficiency, and effectiveness in real-world applications. The model incorporates a novel mixture of expert architecture, which enables it to leverage the collective knowledge of multiple specialized experts to achieve superior performance in handling long-context tasks and multimodal data. Gemini 1.5 Pro's technical architecture is a culmination of cutting-edge innovations in artificial intelligence, particularly in the realm of natural language processing (NLP) and multimodal understanding. Gemini 1.5 Pro's groundbreaking capabilities are showcased through a series of compelling demonstrations and use cases, highlighting its versatility and effectiveness across a wide range of tasks and applications. In one demonstration, Gemini 1.5 Pro showcases its prowess in long context understanding, by analysing a 402-page PDF of the Apollo 11 transcript. The model accurately identifies comedic moments, extracts quotes, and interprets a drawn scene, demonstrating its ability to recall and reason over extensive amounts of text and visual data.
Then we tested a multimodal prompt. We gave it this drawing of a scene we were thinking of and asked, "What moment is this?" The model correctly identified it as Neil's first steps on the moon. Notice how we didn't explain what was happening in the drawing. Simple drawings like this are a good way to test if the model can find something based on just a few abstract details. And for the last prompt, we asked the model to cite the timecode of this moment in the transcript. Like all generative models, responses like this won't always be perfect. They can sometimes be a digit or two off, but let's look at the model's response here. And when we find this moment in the transcript, we can see that this timecode is correct. These are just a few examples of what's possible with a context window of up to 1 million multimodal tokens in Gemini 1.5 Pro.
Gemini 1.5 Pro's advanced capabilities have numerous practical applications across various industries and domains. For example, in content analysis and archival research, the model can efficiently analyze vast amounts of data, including text, audio, and video data, to extract relevant information and generate meaningful insights. In software development, Gemini 1.5 Pro can assist developers by analyzing code repositories, providing code suggestions, and facilitating collaboration. Furthermore, Gemini 1.5 Pro's ability to understand and interpret multimodal data has implications for media and entertainment, education, healthcare, and beyond. For instance, in media and entertainment, the model can be used to analyze and generate content across different modalities, such as generating subtitles for videos or providing personalized recommendations for users. Gemini 1.5 Pro represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence, particularly in comparison to previous models, such as Gemini 1.0 Pro, GPT-4, and other state-of-the-art language models. Through a comparative analysis, several key distinctions emerge that highlight Gemini 1.5 Pro's superiority in various aspects of performance and capabilities. Firstly, Gemini 1.5 Pro outperforms its predecessor, Gemini 1.0 Pro, across a range of tasks, including text, vision, and audio benchmarks. Notably, Gemini 1.5 Pro exhibits superior performance in long context understanding, multimodal processing, and reasoning tasks, showcasing advancements in model architecture, training methods, and efficiency. While Gemini 1.5 Pro represents a remarkable advancement in artificial intelligence, it is not without its challenges and limitations. Understanding and addressing these factors is crucial for realizing the model's full potential and mitigating potential drawbacks. One significant challenge is the issue of bias and fairness. Like many AI models, Gemini 1.5 Pro may inherit biases present in its training data, leading to skewed or discriminatory outcomes in certain contexts. Moreover, as the model becomes more proficient in handling long context tasks and multimodal data, the risk of amplifying biases or generating inaccurate results also increases. Addressing bias and ensuring fairness in AI systems remains an ongoing challenge that requires careful data curation, algorithmic transparency, and ethical considerations. In conclusion, the release of Gemini 1.5 Pro represents a watershed moment in the field of artificial intelligence, marking a significant leap forward in the capabilities of language models and multimodal understanding. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on our latest content. Your opinion matters. Let us know your thoughts on the topics discussed in the comments section below.